It's raining. It's pouring. Hello, my dear student. Welcome to my channel. Let's start. It's raining. It's pouring. The old man is snoring. He went to bed and he bumped his head and could not get up in the morning. His sun is shining. The old man is winning. When he wake up, he drunk his cup. But all cools have a silver lining. It's windy, it's blowing. The old man is sewing. His head blow off into a thought, and now his red head is showing. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon.